Now we're trying to make our way to the car. It's really cold, and we're trying to get to the car, and it's cold.
My mom's gonna call us at a street, but I don't know which street it is. She told me the name, but I didn't mean anything. I don't know what she said.
We don't remember where the door was that we came in.
This was it because
We remember eating. We remember drinking. We don't remember the car. Luckily, Kristen
We should
drove.
try and find Kristen.
Whore.
To see if she lied. She's a liar.
She's a whore.
She is.
Yeah, Joe, what do you think?
I mean, I love her, but she's a hussy.
Can we get the exclusive, Joe? I want an exclusive.
I have details.
Exclusive on the
Joe,
K-Dub.
what's the exclusive? I want the exclusive.
On K-Dub.
Who wants me to push Joe in the grass?
No, that's my Joe, you
I want an exclusive.
No. Look at this bitch
Hey.
in the house.
Does orange
Okay.
mean the battery's down?
No. Means we're recording.
Ooh, I like this song.
It means that we're TMZ, we're gonna sell this. Okay, we're up to it. Janelle, where are you going?
Do you want the present?
Yes, I want a present.
Oh yeah, you can fucking open a present when
Janelle's gonna get a present for us. Oh, don't take that, we're gonna get in trouble.
Yeah,
Oh, no, we're not.
I don't see
present that's
security.
not meant for you.
Well, I thought I meant security.
It's attached.
The present's attached. Means we
Fucking
can't have that.
shit.
Seriously. That's gay, Joe. Pretty gay. Okay, we're gonna end our
That's
submission
why
for the night.
I still have my ID. That is a
Love you.
100%